branch. We need to get down there. Luckily, I'm prepared. There we go. And that was the easy part. Now we need to climb the not so steep but really difficult part. That's so cool. That's a branch. The inside of a branch opening up from the water. A huge frog. Now how am I supposed to walk over this? This is most definitely a pig trail, because here you can see everything has been dug up. This might be a nice place for a tarp. Rope in my back. Not a bad view either. You know when you're having one of those days when you really don't want to do anything, but you know if you go out to the woods and just hang out, it's kind of gonna make your week a lot better. Sometimes you just need to go out in the woods and just be there for a while to kind of reset your brain to make it work correctly. I've been really stressed, really tired for a while now. I really think spending some time in the woods is gonna help me reset. But I would really need to spend about a week alone in the woods. But a few hours can also help. We've got some Icelandic candy. It's chocolate with licorice inside. I was actually born in Iceland, but moved to Sweden when I was about 11. Hence the flag. And licorice inside. We're coming close to the end of the summer. We don't really have fall in the Nordic countries. We basically have 1 week is summer, and next week is winter. We've already had temperatures below freezing a few times. But it gets a little bit scary to be in the woods in the fall. It's because though we have a lot of wolves and lynx and animals like that, the absolutely most scariest animal we have is moose. And during the fall they have their rut. That means the bull moose basically attack anything they see as a threat. And it's everything that moves. They actually kill a lot of people every year. So you need to move very carefully during fall. And in spring, you need to be afraid of the cows because then the moose have given birth. And if you see a calf, the mama moose will kick your ass. I've actually heard while camping, maybe half a kilometer that way, sleeping. I woke up at about 11 in that direction, howling from wolves, and I found a lot of footprints. You would think it's hard to identify wolf prints, but then when you actually see them, it's as big as your hand. Dogs don't get that big, usually, unless it's one of those enormous livestock protectors. We don't really have those kind of dogs around here. Yeah, wolf prints are bigger than you would expect. Now we just need to hike all the way around the cliff back to the bike. I can see animals that walk there. If the bike is just right there. Something people don't realize when you go off trail, that you get stuck in swamps. There's a good reason that trails exist. I can't even see where I'm walking right now. Okay, kind of see where I'm walking now. And that bike is here.